morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Woo-woo. Guys, guess what we're doing today? Do you guess? We are going kind of camping.
We're going camping without sleeping over.
Yeah.
Does that count?
Does it count?
There's a hair on the lens.
Excited?
Yeah.
You sure? You a little giggly? We're excited. It should be fun. Get outside and just enjoy. All of the game night crew's gonna be there.
All our best friends.
Oh yeah.
The only reason we're not sleeping over is because Kinley and Canyon, you know, they're still kind of sick, and the temperatures still get down to like 40 degrees in the middle of the night. So, and we have a tent, we don't have a trailer. So they're only camping like 25 minutes from where we live. So we're just gonna go up, hang out all day, and come home tonight.
Yep. It's gonna be awesome. We've got our snacks all packed.
Oh, yeah.
Doritos, goldfish, graham crackers, sandwiches. We just got lots of stuff going on. You gotta have the snacks when you're going camping, am I right?
Kind of.
Yeah. We've also got camping chairs in the car. Gonna get my drone, wagons. We've got it all packed away, so we're almost ready.
Ooh, it's a little bumpy.
Yeah.
Off-roading here.
Off-roading! You guys, we made it. I mean, we traveled a whole 10 minutes from our house.
No, it took us like 2 hours to get here.
2 hours, long treacherous journey. Look how pretty though. Wait till we get up top here. There's the prettiest view.
So bumpy.
Ooh,
So Daddy.
Did I tell ya, or did I tell ya? So pretty up here. This dude is so anxious. He just took his seatbelt off on this dirt road, huh? Well, this is so bumpy. Oh, guys, this makes my heart so happy.
When I get my dirt bike, I could practice up here.
Yep.
Cause like there's not like really sharp rocks or stuff.
We gotta start.
Get stitches and things.
Yeah.
It's just like dirt.
We gotta start looking this week, huh?
This is awesome. We got all the toys here. We got motorcycles, razors, more little razors. Kids are in heaven. It's so fun up here.
Whoa.
Dude, look at this.
I heard that. I have a knife bone. That's
Oh,
mine.
really? A knife bone.
Yeah,
Whoa.
I made that.
You made it?
I gave it to him.
So cool. You having fun, cars?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a sweet little car you got.
Look at this piece of glass that got melted.
Whoa, that's cool. You having fun, dude? I just wrecked the drone. I was going backwards and I wasn't sure where I was flying. Ended up straight into a pole, but luckily just the propeller broke, so we're good. Did you have fun on the ride?
Yeah.
I could tell. You look like you got some contouring going on there. Oh! Whoa! Stuff for every size of kid.
That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Oh, you missed. That's embarrassing.
Cool.
No, it's not cold, so don't ever do it. Dad's just silly. Now he's gonna like it.
You missed.
I got the gas.
Go poop.
Okay, here we go.
Stand back.
Just throw it on there. Third time's a charm. Woo.
There you go.
Now it's a campfire.
Now you can see where it is. Okay? Now you're okay. Don't fall.
Got the cabin style logging there. Nice.
Only the bag.
All right, everyone, the kids are filthy, exactly like they should be. We are having a ton of fun, and we are cooking some, I don't even know what you call them, tinfoil dinners. Have you guys had them? You put some hamburger, some potatoes, some carrots, some onions, some seasoning. Super good. So we have those on the fire right now, and then we're gonna eat. The kids are clear over there playing. How gorgeous is this, though? They just love it.
Got the hobo dinners cooking today.
Everybody's that are in the fire.
Oh yeah.
Whoa, there's
Good.
They're hot. Little tear, aren't you?
Yummy. Pre-sunbreak.
This?
You guys having fun?
Oh yeah, that's how you do it.
You got a little bit dirt on you there.
Did you get it like that?
Hey, what are you doing?
My Oreos.
You stealing the Oreos? Silly goose.
Maybe I'll just take like one. Oreos, dude.
Let Daddy help you. You're gonna break yourself.
You got it.
Oh, got the chocolate.
Let Mommy hold the
Don't know his name. Scoop knife. My turn.
Good try, Coda.
It's so hard to sit over them and
Oh! Nice, dude. Pull him in. Pull him in.
really legit.
That was good. Now what? That was impressive.
Away from the fire,
Yeah.
Bye. Whoa.
I've recently washed them, so they're not as bad.
They're a little bit dirty. I think they had a lot of fun. So did we.
You did it right.
It's true. You gotta be dirty. But we're just about to head home. It's been a real fun day.
It's been awesome.
Yeah.
It's been perfect.
Coda, did you have fun? What was your favorite part?
when we went up in those woods.
That was cool.
We've been up there for a lot. We found like a pet.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so
It's fun though to be without cell phones or computers or anything. It's just
way nice.
chill with your friends.
No technology, just
It's nice.
you and nature and having some fun.
But that's going to be it for us today, you guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, do that.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.